Here is something really interesting. Ask the 5 smartest people in AI what happens next. They will disagree completely. Some of them think we are heading for paradise, and one of them actually quit his job because he got scared. 5 people, 5 views. Let me walk you through them. First, Elon Musk. You know him. Tesla, SpaceX. He also deep into AI through a company called XAI. And his prediction? Within 20 years, most people just won't need to work. I know, it sounds wild, but his argument is that AI and robots will do so much of the work that the cost of everything drops dramatically. Jobs become optional. You would work because you want to, not because you have to. Is he right? No idea. But he's not some random person saying this. He's running some of the most advanced companies on the planet. So even if he's half right, that's a very different word. Number 2, Sam Altman, the ChatGPT guy. And his big idea is that AI is going to make expertise cheap. Think about what the internet did to information. Before Google, you had to go to a library or ask an expert. Now, you just search. Knowledge is free and instant. Altman thinks AI is about to do the same thing to expertise. Legal advice, consulting, data analysis, all dramatically cheaper. And if you work at a big company, you should pay attention. Because the work that used to need a specialist, soon it might be done by someone with the right AI tools. Which could be you, or it could replace you. Depends who gets there first. Number 3, Geoffrey Hinton. This is the one I really want you to hear. Hinton, the Nobel Prize winner, is called the godfather of AI. Neural networks, deep learning, the stuff behind ChatGPT and Claude all built on his work. His research made all of this possible. In 2023, he quit his job at Google. Not to retire, but to warn people. Just think about that. You spend your whole career building something, then you decide things are serious enough to leave one of the biggest companies in the world. He sacrificed everything just so he can speak freely. His fear? A lot of people will lose their jobs because of AI. Not just simple ones. Your jobs as well. The jobs that we believe to be safe are in danger too. You might think his opinion is absolutely over the top, but I still respect him. He's honest about the fact that he doesn't know the future of AI. He said it's like driving in fog. You can see 100 miles ahead, but 200? Nothing. Anyone who tells you they know exactly what's coming next is very likely to be wrong. This is the most honest thing anyone said about AI. Number 4, Bill Gates. Gates has been surprisingly blunt lately. He said it's very likely that for most things we will not need humans anymore. It is not about scaring us, it is about being excited about the problems AI can solve. Think of healthcare, education, climate, you name it. His point is basically yes, a lot of human work will become unnecessary, but that's only bad if we waste human potential. If we just use AI to cut costs, we have completely missed the point. But if we use it to solve problems that actually matter, that's where it gets exciting. The reason why I like his view is because it's not about being scared about AI, but it is about all the benefits AI might bring if we use it well. And finally, Yann LeCun. LeCun won the Turing Award, which is basically the Nobel Prize of Computer Science. He was head of AI at Meta for over a decade. And his message? Everyone needs to calm down. He thinks the hype is out of control, and if someone tells you artificial general intelligence is just around the corner, don't believe them, because current AI doesn't actually understand anything. It's pattern matching that sounds about right, but it's not real thinking. Just like a parrot, right? The parrot can say, "Hello, how are you?" but it has no idea what those words mean. LeCun thinks AI is a lot closer to the parrot than people realize. That's actually encouraging because the most valuable skill isn't building AI, it's using it well alongside your own brain. Five people, five totally different views. What do you do with that? It is surprising that they completely disagree, but this is the key takeaway. Anyone who talks about AI with absolute certainty is probably wrong. But they all agree on one thing: the change is real, and it's moving faster than most people expect. Did you hear an AI prediction that surprised you? Drop it in the comments. I would love to hear it. Subscribe, and see you in the next one.